Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below.
Hi guys, and today we're making a seafood platter using calamari rings and some prawns. So we've got these are already cooked. So
down below and give a like.
We all just have to make it look nice on the plate.
That is nicer.
So we're using pre-cooked food because we're kids. Because like you don't want to make sure, you don't want to make it not cooked and then you can get maybe seed poisoning, something like that. Does not cook properly. So just for kids friendly, we're just using pre-cooked food anyway. So yeah, and also it's gonna be easier for us to make it. So I'm gonna present it very nicely, so a nice way. And plus, you guys, you can use other seafood as well, not just calamari and prawns, like maybe crab, fish, salmon, these different ones as well. And also good for the presentation as well. Look at the prawns now. I'm doing like a third. Oh, thank you. And also, another thing is you can make your own sauce for this, or you can just eat how it is. Time for some more calamari. And there we have it, guys. Your own seafood platter. So this one is called the calamari rings, like just calamari rings. And this one is just large king prawns, already cooked. And this one is smoky paprika calamari. Yeah, that's myself. So, and then don't forget the dip, guys, because you don't want to eat just by itself, you want it as a dip. So this is like our homemade garlic sauce, as you can see. Garlic sauce, you've got some mayonnaise, some garlic, some olive oil and salt and vinegar. So I'm going to now dip some king prawns into, oh gosh. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down below for a thumbs up and bye.
We love food.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below.
Kids Love Food.
Oh, what's that? It looks like a croissant.
Anyway, Kids Love Food.